in phone trading, we are going to be testing out this new indicator art, and we are going to be placing 3 trades right now and see the kind of results we are going to get. First of all, let's go ahead and bring out the indicator. Again, if you don't have a broker you are using yet, okay, the broker I'm using, I'm going to be leaving the link in the comment section. Go over there to get access to my broker right now. Okay, so we are going to go over here and we are going to bring out the indicators right now. Okay, now the first indicator we are going to bring out is this one called Bollinger Band, and that's actually the indicator we are going to be using today. We are going to do a very simple setting, which is display the right period. We are going to change it to 15. Okay, take record of that. We are going to change it to 15. Okay, and that is all. The second thing we are going to do is to change the colors. You can see the upper line, we are going to change it. Let's say we change it to green, and the middle line we are going to change it to something like yellow, and the last one, which is the lower line, we are going to change it something like pink. Okay, let's go ahead and apply it. Now the indicator is set. Okay, now how are we going to use this indicator to analyze the market and take trade? Don't worry, I'm going to explain it. Now this is how this indicator works. We are going to take trade only when the market is either up trade or a down trade. Now looking at the indicator here, you can see that each time the market is, let's use example of up trade as example. You can see each time the market is up trade here, the indicator keep on giving you a signal. You can see each time the market went up and touched the yellow line or the pink line, the market went back up. Okay, and remember, this only work on either up trade or a down trade. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. First of all, I'm just going to check out for a good spot right now. Once I spot that one, I'll be back so that I can explain it more better for you guys. Okay guys, there is no need to look for another good spot. You can see there's another spot here that is already out, so I'm just going to change my minutes, okay, to something like, let's say 3 minutes. Okay, this is 1 minute, 2, 3. Okay, just take it like that. That as that line is, that's how the minutes is. And here we are going to change our investments. Let's start with something like let's say $50. Okay, remember we are going to be placing 3 trades and we are going to see what's going to be the result. So here I'm going to take up trade right now. Okay, we have taken a trade for up trade, and right now if I open it up, you can see that this is the trade we just placed right now. Okay, so remember we are going to be placing 3 trades using this indicator, and we are going to see the result we are going to get at the end of the day. So right now let's go ahead and observe it and see what's going to be the final result. Let's just take it that we have placed our first trade. Our first trade is a loss because the market have actually gone down very well, but this is still an uptrend. Remember what I said, as long as the market have not crossed the pink line, which is the last line here, and it's still maintaining this up, we can still count it as uptrend. Okay, because the market is actually uptrend right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change my entry amount to $100, and we are going to change the minute again to 3 minutes, and we are going to enter an uptrend on this position. Remember guys, the only time you can consider a down trade is when the market went below the line. Okay, either the pink or red line, depend the way you set your own. As long as the market is maintaining between the pink and the yellow line and is an uptrend, keep on going up with this indicator. Okay, so right now we have placed the second trade. Remember I said we are going to place a 3 trade, and we are going to see what's going to be the result between these 3 trades we are going to place, and know how much we are going to make using this particular new strategy with this indicator. Okay, so right now let's see what's going to be the final result with this particular trade. Don't forget that even without you knowing how to analyze the market, you can easily join my signal group. Okay, you can see this is my Telegram channel. This is where I give a signal on this particular currency. And again guys, there's something you observe here. This particular broker also accepts you to deposit in naira, also in dollar, for those for coming from Nigeria. You can see this is my own naira account. I have the naira account, I have the dollar account, and you can see we have a large of audience that's actually flowing up our signal. This was the yesterday signal I give out in my signal group. Okay, in case if you don't know how to analyze the market, go ahead and join my signal group. This is where you get free signal from me every single day. The link is also going to be in the comment section. Now guys, let's go back to the trade. We are back here and we are still observing our market. Let's see how many minutes that left for us. Okay guys, the way I'm seeing it, we are going to win this one. You can see we have just 3 seconds left here, and boom, this was actually a winning one, and we'll make a profit of around that can that's something of $40 on this particular market after recovering our first loss. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do again is to spot out another good spot, and I will place my trade. Remember how this indicator work, the way I explain it. You can only take trade either way the market is going up or the market is going down. Okay, between the indicator, you can see here we place our trade when the market touches the pink line, and the market was actually maintaining between the yellow line and the pink line, and this is an up trade. Okay, so even with the look of things, guys, we are still going to place another trade here. Remember, this is going to be our second trade. We lost the first one, I will win the second one. Okay, remember the market is still maintaining between the yellow line and the pink line, but let me just change out currency so that you guys will learn how to change to another different currency. But this is still an up trade because the market is still maintaining this line. Okay, now to change currency, you can see here, depend when you are using your phone, it's going to be down there in your phone. Okay, now let's check out another currency and see what's going to be on that currency, whether it's going to match with our terms and condition or not. Okay guys, look at this one here. Okay, this is the complete down trade, and the market is maintaining between the yellow line and the green line. So right now we are going to change our expiry minute to something like 3 minutes right now, and we are going to place in a trade for a down trade on this area. We are going to go this place down here, and we are place a 3 minutes down trade on this particular position. And based on what I've taught you so far, you can see that the market is actually a down trade. You can see each time the market touch the yellow line, there's always a reverse. Yellow line, there's always a reverse. So the only time we can consider this market an up trade is only when the market break out from the green line. But right now it's still between the yellow line and the green line, so we are still considering this market a down trade. So let's see what's going to be the final result. So actually lost on this market. Okay, we lost around that count 2 and we are 1-1. Okay, we are going to use winning to close up with this particular trade today. Okay, so right now the market did not respect the line again. Remember what I said, the only time we can consider this market an up trade is when the market break out from this particular line. So right now I'm still considering this market as a down trade. So we are going to increase our investment to $100, and we are going to place a trade for a down trade. Remember, if you are focusing on one market, keep on trading that particular currency. Don't move out from that particular currency. This is the way to trade this strategy effective. Okay, as long as the market is a down trade and you place the first trade, you miss it out, don't just shift out to start looking for another currency. Still be with that particular currency because the market may likely still drop. As long as the market is a down trade, I told you can only consider this an up trade only when the market break out from this green line. But for right now, we have not seen a good breakout from this particular line. The market is still between the lines, so we can still consider this market a down trade. Okay, but let's see what's going to happen, and let's just give it a time. Look at things, guys, you can see that the market have clearly break out from the indicator, confirming that the market is now going up position. Okay, so we have lost on this one again, so we are going to increase our investment this time around to $250. Okay, now remember that this strategy is not 100% working. At least you're going to have up to 70% winning rate. Okay, so let's just increase our investment to let's say 280. Okay, $280, and here we are going to go in for a trade for up trade. Okay, because right now the market have actually break out from the indicator, giving us a clear signal that is now going up trade. Okay, just like what I told you guys, you can only consider it up trade when the market break out from the indicator. You can see here we saw the breakout with this particular candle here going up trade, or like going up position, confirming that the market is no longer respecting this line. Okay, and at this point now all we need to do is to follow the market and go that same direction, which is what we just did right now. Okay, so what we are going to do is to wait and see what's going to be the final result. And just like what I said earlier, once you are trading a particular currency, don't switch to different currencies so that you make a mistake. Trade that particular currency until you have gotten winning from that particular currency. This is how this strategy works. If you are flowing a particular currency, just flow it until you have gotten winning from that particular currency. Okay, so right now we are going to watch and observe and see what's going to be the final result on this particular trade. So guys, with a look at things, we actually got this particular winning here. You can see it here, the whole stock close with profit. Okay, now this is how this strategy works. Now if you want to duplicate this, all you need to do, just go ahead and check out all I just did. Okay, follow every instruction, and believe me guys, you are still going to get the same result I just got right now. And again guys, if you don't have any broker you are using yet, go ahead and sign up with my own broker. The link is going to be in the comment section. This my broker allows you to deposit in naira, also deposit in dollar. Okay, you can easily withdraw your money in less than 30 minutes to your own account. Okay, but this is all I have for you. And lastly guys, don't forget to subscribe to this our channel, because we'll be dropping updates like this daily on different strategy on how you can trade on binary and become a profitable trader. Okay, see you guys in my next video.